Guys, sorry about my dog, but we're gonna have to work through this because if I sit and wait for him to stop, I don't know how much time can actually go by. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you my really late July Ipsy bag unbagging. So here it is. This is the July bag. By the way, guys, I'm going to Generation Beauty in New York this year. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so happy. They sent me like the discounted tickets. I've gotten the comp tickets before. If you're a member of Ipsy OS, sometimes they send out comp tickets or discounted tickets to their members. So I have gotten comp tickets before. I just haven't been able to go other years back. And this year I got discounted tickets and I was like, you know what? I have to jump on this because I can't keep waiting. I promised myself that I was going to go to beauty events this year. So we are going. I already went to a makeup class back in June with Boxy Charm. And now I'm going to Generation Beauty with Ipsy. I'm so excited. And my husband and I are going to go together. It's in New York. So that's going to be awesome. So without further ado, let's just do my July bag. It's a very cute bag. It's like that pool iridescent kind of bag. I like it. It's very cute. And then this right here is kind of like rubbery and it says Ipsy. So going into the bag, it doesn't have a theme this month apparently. It doesn't say anything. All right, first thing is a face contour from Luscious. This is what that looks like. So this is what the little box looks like. And there's the contour and the highlight. Let me swatch for you. A little bit chalky. It's these two right here. The next thing in here is from Mint Pear, and this is Rosehip Night Serum, all natural, pure, and organic. So it says it renews skin. You're supposed to apply daily to renew your youthful skin elasticity by fighting free radicals while you sleep to wake up to a fresher, brighter, smoother complexion. I will definitely try this out. I'm like so lazy. I don't really have a skincare routine. I should though, because I'm not getting any younger. Next thing in here is from Smashbox, and this is a Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. And this is oil free. Wow, this looks good. And this is in light medium. I'm gonna swatch this concealer. Let's see. That's it right here. Looks good. Oh, I'm excited to try this out. All right, the next thing in here is from apparently Lala Beauty, and it's a Lala lip gloss in the color The Affair. And this is the box. And let's see. Oh, this looks very pretty. I like the packaging. Very beautiful packaging. Looks nice and sleek, and the color looks very promising. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look how pretty that is. That is definitely a color I would like to wear. And the last thing in here is from Briogeo, and this is a Scalp Revival Charcoal and Peppermint All Cooling Jelly Conditioner with no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. I definitely did like this July box. The lip gloss, the concealer, this is okay. I'm not like a huge fan of Briogeo, but I will definitely try it out and see what's up with that. The face contour is all right. The contour part is kind of chalky. The highlighter is okay. And then this would be nice, definitely, to try it out. So I do like my bag this month. I hope you guys also enjoyed this unbagging, and I will see you in my next video. Love you guys.